Unleash your creative potential with the best camera for filmmaking, a powerful tool that elevates your storytelling to cinematic heights. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker, aspiring content creator, or someone looking to document life's adventures in stunning detail, the right camera array can make all the difference. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best cameras for filmmaking you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Fujifilm XH2 emerges as a cinematic powerhouse, claiming the coveted 5th spot among the best cameras for filmmaking. Priced at $24.98, it stands as a testament to its uncompromising dedication to delivering professional-grade video performance. Unveiling its prowess, the mirrorless marvel boasts a 26.1 megapixel APS-C X-Trans 5C MOS sensor, coupled with Fuji's X Processor 5, pushing the boundaries of what an APS-C camera can achieve. While lacking the nostalgic allure of its Fuji counterparts, the XH2 compensates with an extraordinary 6.2K 30p internal video recording capability, adorned with 4x2x2 10-bit color depth. Navigating its extensive menu reveals a treasure trove of color grading profiles, making post-production a filmmaker's dream. A 1.29 times crop on 4K 120p footage may be a slight hiccup, but the overall video quality remains impressively clean and crisp. Beyond its cinematic prowess, the camera doesn't falter in stills, equipped with in-body image stabilization and a versatile articulating touchscreen. With no recording limits, the XH2 proves its endurance, allowing over 2 hours of continuous 4K shooting. In the realm of APS-C cameras, it stands unrivaled, offering a skill set that seamlessly blends exceptional video capabilities with superlative stills prowess. The Canon EOS R5, crowned as the number 4 best camera for filmmaking, stands as a beacon illuminating the future of Canon's camera technology. This mirrorless marvel boasts a 45-megapixel full-frame sensor, orchestrating a symphony of visual brilliance. With a rapid 20 FPS burst shooting capability and a nimble autofocus system, it's a stills virtuoso, difficult to surpass. Yet, the true star of the show lies in its cinematic prowess. Despite whispers of overheating during the 8K video recording, the R5 remains a trailblazer. If your creative endeavors involve shorter clips, the overheating hiccup may be but a minor footnote. Alas, its ascent to the top spot is hindered by the weight of its price tag, a hefty $3298. This financial hurdle, coupled with the considerable investment required for the top-tier Canon RF lenses, places the full majesty of the EOS R5 just out of reach for many aspiring filmmakers. In an alternate economic universe where cost is but a fleeting thought, the EOS R5 would undoubtedly reign supreme. Unleash your creative vision with the Sony A7S3, crowned the number 3 best camera for filmmaking. Packed with cinematic prowess, this mirrorless marvel wields a 12.1 megapixel full-frame sensor, orchestrating a visual symphony with a staggering 15 stops of dynamic range. The back-illuminated sensor and an expandable ISO from 40 to 409,600 transform challenging lighting into opportunities for breathtaking 4K videos. In the realm of filmmaking, the A7S3 reigns supreme, its 10 FPS continuous shooting speed capturing moments in a dance of fluidity. Despite its modest resolution, the Bion's XR processor propels it to record 4K footage at a mesmerizing 120 FPS, delivering a canvas for seamless slow-motion masterpieces. This camera defies the odds, wielding an in-body stabilization system that transforms turbulent conditions into a serene visual narrative. Elevating the filmmaker's experience, the A7S3 flaunts a user-friendly design evolution. The articulating touchscreen and extended battery life of over 75 minutes for 4K filming redefine usability. Its intuitive interface beckons even intermediate users into the realm of experts. A masterpiece available at $34.98. Meet the Nikon Z9, a cinematic masterpiece and the undeniable number 2 in the realm of filmmaking. Nikon's flagship, the Z9, breaks barriers as the first professional camera to ship without a mechanical shutter. Its robust DSLR styling, though reminiscent of the past, houses a truly modern marvel. With a 45.7 megapixel CMOS sensor, the Z9 captures images that transcend reality, offering filmmakers an 8K 30p wonderland. Slow-mo aficionados will revel in 4K at 120 FPS, while the 493.AF ensures precise focus. The stacked CMOS sensor's image quality is nothing short of superlative, providing unparalleled cropping potential and aided by impeccable image stabilization. But wait, there's more to come. A forthcoming firmware upgrade promises to unleash additional recording skills, including the groundbreaking ability to shoot raw 8K 60p video internally, an unprecedented feat for any mirrorless camera. The Z9 may be more than what many need, but its rapid performance, two-way tilting touchscreen, and imminent video enhancements make it a seriously impressive, competitively priced tool for professional videographers, priced at $5496. Immerse yourself in the cinematic realm with the Sony A7S3 Mark III, crowned as the undisputed champion of filmmaking. Pioneering innovation, this marvel boasts the world's first full-frame global shutter, revolutionizing image capture by eliminating distortion in fast-moving scenes. The heartbeat of this technological symphony is its blackout-free 120 FPS continuous shooting capability. A dance of speed and precision unfolds, immortalizing fleeting moments with unparalleled clarity and reliability. At the helm of this masterpiece is a 24.6 megapixel Exmor RS image sensor, a technological marvel designed for distortion-free captures even in the most dynamic scenarios. With a maximum shutter speed of 180,000 second, the A7S3 III effortlessly freezes split-second marvels. Flash synchronization at all shutter speeds ensures consistent illumination, a testament to its prowess. Fueling this photographic symphony is the evolved Bionz XR image processing engine, an artistic maestro that paints your visuals with unmatched color gradation, lifelike reproduction, and minimal noise. The price of this cinematic virtuoso is a mere $6,000. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.